If you're wondering how to log out of CapCut on PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to sign out of your CapCut account on desktop in just a few seconds. This is useful if you want to switch accounts, protect your privacy, or simply log out when you're done editing. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fast CapCut tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and wait for the app to fully load. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner where your profile picture appears. Right next to that profile picture, you'll see a swap or exchange icon. This is the button you need to click to manage your account options. Go ahead and click that swap icon. After you click it, a small menu should appear with account-related options. In that menu, look for the Sign Out option. This is the button that will log you out of your CapCut account on PC. Click Sign Out and CapCut will immediately begin the logout process. Depending on your version of the app, you may see a confirmation prompt. If that happens, just confirm that you want to sign out. Once the process is complete, you'll be logged out and returned to the sign-in screen. At that point, your CapCut PC account is successfully signed out, and you can either close the app or log back in with a different account. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to log out of CapCut on PC using the profile menu at the top left. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful editing tips, and I'll see you in the next video.